Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about sunscreens, and these are the four sunscreens I have with me. So I have used this, and I will kind of share my reviews on these sunscreens. I have shared all the detailed reviews in my Instagram page, so if you want to go and check those detailed reviews, then do go and click the link in my description box. So now let's get started with these sunscreens. I hope you guys know that we should not skip sunscreens even in the winters, or if it's a gloomy weather. It is very important to use sunscreen even when you're staying at home. There are so many benefits of using a sunscreen. I have done a detailed review on sunscreens in my YouTube channel, so in my Instagram page, so do go and check it out. So there are two types of UV radiations. One is UVA and UVB. So it is very important to protect yourself from these ultraviolet rays. So not only the sun's radiation, but there are many radiations from the electronic gadgets that we are using, the phone that we are using, laptops. Nowadays we do all Zoom calls, or we are having a lot of FaceTimes, so that kind of affects your skin directly. So yeah, it is very important for you to use a sunscreen on a daily basis to at least minimum help your skin to get the protection from these kind of radiations. So men, women, everybody should apply sunscreen, and the rule of using a sunscreen is using the three finger rule. So it's basically applying on your three fingers, and also don't forget to put sunscreen on your neck or the areas which are exposed to the sun or the radiations. So yeah, it is very very important, and at least use a basic SPF of 30 or above. Like I like using 50 or 30. Like when I'm staying at home, I use the bare minimum of 30, and yeah, that is what you can do. And also it helps in sunscreen are kind of like an anti-aging thing, because it helps to delay the and aging time period. So yeah, it is very important for teenagers. Everybody should use a sunscreen. It does not matter what age you are, what gender you are, it is very important to use sunscreen. And also don't forget to use sunscreen even if you are staying at home or you're stepping out. So yeah, you should incorporate sunscreens in your daily lives. So I have four sunscreens here, so I'll tell you about the sunscreen in like a mini review. Let me start with an SPF of 30, and also this is the Episoft AC sunscreen. This is both a moisturizer and a sunscreen, so this is great. Like if you are like if you don't use sunscreens, it is best to start using sunscreens along with your moisturizers. Like this, it has both a combination of a sunscreen and the moisturizer, so it's best that you can use you start incorporating this in your daily life, like as a moisturizer. And you don't need to think that okay, I have to use sunscreen after this. So just incorporate this in your daily life. It is good for everybody because it has a SPF of 30. So if you're staying at home now, like we are, so you can use this, because I definitely love using this. And it's great for everybody, because it is not very thick. It's like this is the texture. It's very nice, it's very light, and yeah, it does not leave any white cast. So yeah, definitely. So a lot of people, like I have heard, like due to the white cast issue, people don't wear a sunscreen. I do understand, because I do even avoid sunscreens which have like a lot of white cast. So this does not have a white cast, so definitely I would recommend this, because it is lightweight, it is non-comedogenic, and also it is free from fragrance. It is very lightweight. So this is great. Like definitely you should try this out. Sunscreen which has been my favorite in 2021 is this sunscreen from Curace. This is SPF 50. It's a mattifying sunscreen. I love using this during the summers mostly because it has this mattifying effect. So this also has a very light texture. It has a very slight amount of white cast which is negligible almost, and it gets dissolved in easily. So this is the sunscreen, and it almost has like negligible amount of white cast. You can see that. So I really love the sunscreen, and like it is almost over. So yeah, I will definitely recommend if you are of an oily skin guy, or like if you have oily to combination skin, then I would highly recommend this because you can use it both in the winters and in the summers because it has this mattifying effect, which I personally love because I have combination skin. So I love using this. Also, what you can do during winters, what I do is I layer it up with a heavy moisturizer, so it kind of helps in that way. The next sunscreen, which is my favorite, and again it's a mattified sunscreen, so it has this mattifying effect. This is the Ultra Matte Dry Touch sunscreen. It is sweat waterproof, and it is again non-comedogenic, and it has a souffle texture, if you can understand. So this is my favorite. Okay, like I have been using this for the last few months, and especially in the summers it is the best. So it has this very matte, and it has this souffle effect. It's very matte, and it's great for those, and there is no white cast. So I love using this. I would highly recommend to try this. If you are not a beginner to sunscreen, you can definitely use this because you will love the texture. So yeah, so this is the Requil Dry Touch sunscreen that I love. There's another sunscreen I was trying out from Requil. So it is a sunscreen which is oxybenzone and OMC free sunscreen. So I kind of started using the sunscreen a few, like 1 month ago, and I kind of don't like this product because of the white cast. It does have a white cast when you are applying on your face, and also it kind of balls up, like I don't know, it layers up, and it for like it creates this very weird texture. So I don't know, for few it works, but it does not work for my skin. So I have combination skin, and so it does not work on my skin somehow. I don't know. For you, maybe if you have tried and it worked for you, to comment down below and let me know. Like, it did not work for me, but it is a great sunscreen though. But somehow the texture, I don't really like the texture. So I don't know, maybe I'll pass this because it again has a very it has, see what it happens is, this is what happens. It kind of balls up like this, and I don't know, something is wrong with this packaging. I don't know, maybe I got a faulty product or something. So yeah, I don't know. So it does not work that great for me, so I would not recommend because it does not work for me. But maybe if you have tried, then it works for you, that's great. But yeah, so these were my the four sunscreen that I have used, and these were my reviews kind of. But I have detailed reviews in my Instagram, so yeah, do check it out. So thank you, and don't forget to use your SPF every day. It is very important. And yeah, let me know in the comments if you have tried any of these sunscreens. And yeah, thank you, and meet you again. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give it a like, and if you did not like, so give it a thumbs down, and also share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you. Bye.